didn't see her. She came with her nigga. But she gon' slide right to my side. I know she pulled up with her friends. Then we skirt off in the Benz. Oh, took her back to my crib, and I regret it. Cause she tryna feel like she asleep. So she tried to stay the whole week. I'm like, oh nah, she gotta go. Ask me her name, I swear I don't even fucking know. They wanna know why the girl them dip on me. Them I ain't green, them I ain't just ship on me. They wanna know why them love him off.
Let's do a full base just using concealer. Go in with the shade 7 in medium golden brown to just color correct and give me an even base. Blend that out. I'm gonna go in with number 5 for my under eyes. Go back in with number 7 and just put it on my forehead a little bit. Take number 9 and just dot it around the ears. I want to contour. This looks so good. No powder, no other products, just a primer and 4 concealers.
Here are 10 makeup tips I wish I knew earlier. Blend foundation with your fingers to achieve a supernatural skin-like finish. To really set your base, spray your sponge with some finishing or setting spray. Your base is going to blend even more flawlessly and last a lot longer. I'm blending around the under eye area because we want to use less product to minimize creasing. If your brow wax comes in a jar, avoid double dipping. Instead, scoop some product out to work with. Marinate your concealer so you can use less product while still getting a full coverage. Spray finishing spray between every step, especially if you like to do your skin first. It keeps the skin looking fresh for hours and the base just looks soft and airbrushed. If your eyeliner smudges easily, set it with some dark eyeshadow or put some powder in this area where eyeliner usually bleeds. For eyes with epicanthic folds, apply inner corner eyeliner on the lower lash line. To brighten and open up the eyes, place highlight in this divot here. I like to bring it up and down into the lower lash line. When setting your makeup, go one step further by drenching your sponge with setting spray, tapping gently to melt the makeup into your skin.
I see you watching, feeding. I know you want it, scheming. I know you need it, drug lord. You want it all, you don't. I know you need love. I need some too. Do you want this like it wants you? Know that booty gon' do what it want to.
And I just fell in love with a gangster, so I hold him down like an anchor. He said if I keep it 100, that he keep me safe like a banker. Nowadays I be making him famous. She the princess, so who you lames is. Of course I be pushing they buttons. I hold her control like the game is. Like gra, keep it a stat. Bitches is if we keep it.
Makeup brushes for beginners. A round kabuki brush to blend out your foundation. A flat tapered brush to blend out your concealer. A dense flat brush to blend out your contour. A small rounded kabuki brush to apply and blend out your cream blush. A powder puff to set your concealer. A fluffy rounded brush to apply your pressed powder. A tapered brush to apply your powder blush. A small tapered brush to apply your highlighter.
No. No, 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 no. Exactly.